Matter full ground. Lagos State people actually said that Tinubu is not God. That they have removed that speaker, they've removed that speaker. Honestly, literally, I think 99% of Nigerians, including myself, were waiting that this woman, Miranda, was going to be removed. Obasa is coming back. The whole thing, they brought in DSS. I was even just waiting to just do video and say, Obasa is back. Now, lie, oh. Lagos State House of Assembly stood up to a bully or bullies and said, no way. We've done this thing and it shall remain that way. And that's the way it remains. Hey, Lagos State House of Assembly. So now get liver like this. Well, this one they do anyhow. The legislative arm of government does not know how powerful it is in Nigeria. They look at it and say, go down there. Tinubu down there, you can do your rubbish in Abuja, don't bring it to Lagos. I must see something. Hey! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But then also the issue of DSS. Remember they brought in DSS and all of that. DSS has come to say that they were invited. Kiniko, that the speaker will come on the 18th of February to do this. So they were invited. Campaign after election. But anyway, just take a look at this. Oh my goodness, she was so emotional. Oh my goodness. You know, when people stand for you gidigba, honestly, she tried though. They even brought out a resignation letter because they said they had already given her a resignation letter to sign and everything. They even brought out one in the public. They now say it's fake. She stood her ground. That day she was, there's the video I did, you know, on those, where you saw her walking and say, I'm ready for this fight. Hey. My people voted for me. I'm standing. Because how do you say 32? I think it was 32 out of 40 lawmakers that voted to remove Obasa. And then you are coming with your, now we get, now they run this town. Hey, now they run this town. Tinubu, we found that hard way. Because if you look at it, Lagos didn't vote Tinubu. People are tired. Even Lagos, even with the INEC rigging. They couldn't rig Tinubu into a win. That's why they now had to do the gubernatorial election. What they now did was to use talks, prevent people from voting, beat people on, maim people and all of that. Honestly, I'm shocked because I thought the Lagos State House of Assembly were not going to be able to do something. I remember one of the members of their governing council, you understand, say APC governing council they call it or something like that. One of them, he had said that whatever will happen. That Tinubu is not God. You understand that he's not God. He cannot decide what happens in that Lagos State. And true, they showed it. Hey. No be small thing, no. It was a hey. But anyway, let me allow you watch this next one, the vote of thanks that they gave for her.
And it's a pleasure to stand before you again today, even though with the heavy heart of everything that has played out today, by what we refer to as the administration of this chamber. And I do not want to believe, honestly, I do not want to believe that it's because we have a change of leadership. That would be a very, very sad day in democracy. And it is on this note, right, Honorable Speaker, that I want to move vote of confidence on yourself, by all members of this sacred house of assembly, to show that if truly it is because we removed the former speaker of this assembly and elected you, who we believe in, as the speaker, we will display it here, live and clear, for people to know that this decision was done by the members of this State House of Assembly, duly elected. Duly elected. It's on this note I want to ask that members, please, if you can affirm your vote of confidence in Madam Speaker, kindly raise up your hands, please. Can we please stand?
Arise to second that motion, Madam Speaker. Arise.
Madam Speaker, all members standing before you, I move a motion to say that we do pass a vote of confidence on Right Honorable Mojisola Lasbat Beranga.
Arise, Speaker. To affirm that decision, Madam Speaker.
Honorable Ogle.
I second the motion, Madam Speaker. As moved.
All in favor, say aye. Aye. Those against, say no. The ayes have it.
Madam Speaker!
Thank you, distinguished audience. Majority Leader.
Oh my goodness. Whoa! Oh my goodness. But at the end of this all is for every one of us to understand that this did not come easy. They had to fight for it. And if we want freedom in our country, we must be ready to fight for it. And that if we stand our ground, security agents cannot do anything. First of all, they are angry. They are just looking for a way. They are also angry. They are also hungry. They also know things are bad for them. If they are only obeying orders, if they find an overwhelming orders where people are standing, they will drop that whatever message they send them and not do it. Take a look at this video.
Press video now. I don't talk to our chamber now.
Yes, I've got our chambers.